HKD. Last day today, we are going to eat brunch and then Jade Market or Jade Street and then go to the airport. Our flight is rescheduled again at 7:05 in the evening, but we are going to the airport around 1 or 2 o'clock just to be safe. So for the OOTD, I am wearing jeans, sneakers, and then a black top. Kat is wearing the same. Uy nga, nag-twinning ta.
Tingnan pa kasi mo, black and brown mga ako, mga color palette.
Oh yeah, we're actually twinning. Black shirt, jeans, and then her sneaks. With 3 and
This order.
you have to order food here. Just scan the QR code. Tapos order pharmacy. Bra ko yung mabusog. This is a meal set for 72 HKD. You get dumplings with put it in soup or in dry sauce. You get a drink, a choice, and then a side dish.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love. It's easier to love. Easier to love. Easier to love.
Jade Hawker Bazaar.
What do you want? You know Jay? You know Jay?
No, just looking around. It's okay, we'll just look around.
I can do cheaper. I can do everything 50 for you.
We'll just look around first.
No. What do you want? I saw you. I think it's a good. Yeah. Good price for you because.
What is called that?
Natural jade.
Why people charge 150, you know, they ask for really high price. Yeah.
Oops.
35, 35. I give you a little try my first.
35 got me.
You want to get one too? Beautiful. Because I very good.
This one will break.
I like this one.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Ship for you, morning happy, okay? Good price. Yeah. Yeah. Happy?
No, it's okay, it's okay.
You go. You will go? Go silver, okay? Yeah. This is silver, go. Ship for you.
It's okay.
I'll look around first. Anything else? We are at the international airport already, Hong Kong International Airport, and we have already checked in. So, medyo, yun nga, may flight delay. 7:05 pa ang alis ng AirAsia papuntang Manila. So, it's already 3:25 now. So, titingnan namin if we could look for that area sa Hong Kong Airport kung saan makikita mo yung mga airplanes na lumilipad. And then maybe grab some food. It's 3:52 and nakalagpas na kami ng immigrations. Wala pa kaming gate assignment. This is cute! Hi! I'm gonna look for a place na tatambayan because mahaba pa. 3 hours pa ang waiting time namin. This is how the departure area of Hong Kong International Airport looks like. May mga kainan. Para sa mga nagugutom, may food court. They're also selling roast goose. Roast goose na whole is 798. Yen. So, you'll survive here mga siguro 70 to 100 HKD dapat ang natitira mong money para at least makakakain ka pa before you leave. 138 108 Katma Japan ka man kat hindi na. Ulata na lang. And they have ramen. Gordon Ramsay plain food to go. Gusto mo di i-try? Kamahal galing.
Try to not see.
Di ba may Gordon Ramsay restaurant sa Manila na kat?
10,000 pesos.
Wow. And the Louis Vuitton store here at the
Some beer
airport.
battered fish and chips. Okay. English.
Passengers are reminded not to leave.
Burberry down there. Dior. So, this is not the airport I used to. Ang ma-remember kong airport. No na ano na siya. We ordered from here. This is 58.
Please hold the handrail and Please hold the handrail and don't walk.
Ah, pretty. And we have to ride the train like there. So this is the area for gates 201 to 230. Ours is at 219. So dito kami. Check nyo dito yung flights niya. A sky train with a sky bridge. Masigalagas kita sa oras.
Please mind your step. 请小心抬脚.
Doon pa kami sa pinakadulo. We don't have food anymore here, so as much as possible eat na kayo sa level 7. The food was in level 7, no? No, tama. Kasi wala nang food dito sa area na to. At the end is the observation deck, so puntahan natin. Let's go to the observation deck. So parang smoking area din siya. Meron silang saksakan. Yay! Smoking area.
Smoking area?
Hindi. It's an observation deck. And it's open. You know ba siya nga smoking area? So, hintay kami hanggang 7:05. Hopefully, wala nang delay. We are already on board the plane. We're going home to Manila. See you later in a bit. Puro lang see you later. Yun lang, update lang. Uuwi na kami finally. Parang 3 days lang siya, pero feeling ko ang haba ng 3 days.
Marami ginastos.
Yeah, ang dami namin It hurts. Nabudol ka ata kami. Magandang gabi po at maligayang pagdating sa AirAsia. Ito pang AirAsia Flight D2-1265 patungong Maynila. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, kalalapag lang po natin sa baliparang pagdaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagdating sa Maynila. We are at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Room tour. This is the door. Lock muna natin. Pagpasok na pagpasok, you have a full-length mirror. There. Right across is a CR. So, very basic. They have ano yung lights? Full lights na yan. They have clean CR. So, sink. Ito yung sockets nila. Glasses. The shower, toilet. And you have 2 towels. And then I got 2 twin beds. Ako lang mag-isa, but I usually book for 2. Big bed sana, pero walang available na queen size bed. But that's okay. For safety purposes, I usually book for 2 para the staff would think na dalawang tao yung nanandito. So, yun.